Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show the sound quality of my Bloat Rugby speakers. So
Let's get started.
let's do. You can see I have played NCS song. Now I will start my Bluetooth speaker.
Power on! You've plugged into Nirvana. You're now connected to Stone Rugby.
I will push it to max. Volume up.
Maximum volume.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
The girl them killer chick. Thunderball, come and give it up, come and give it up, come and give it up to our girl. 5 million and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls, all my girls. Thunderball.
If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and share it to your friends. I will post new unboxing video later. So bye.